you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I finally got my other Ipsy bag, so now I can do Ipsy versus Ipsy for December. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so one showed up like 2 days ago and one showed up today. So both of my little sisters are here, and now I can show you what's inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one first. This one is my profile that I have tailored to what I like. And then the other one is open to really anything and everything, because if it's something that I don't really feel like I'm comfortable with using or I already have, I save for you guys, and the bag I save for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this one. All right, so nothing inside. Sometimes they do have extra items in there. And then this is, ooh, is it green? Oh, it's green. This is the bag for this month. The plus was a little bit bigger and it had blue. This one actually has like a dark hunter green, and the inside is dark hunter green. So let's go ahead and get these products out and see what we have. So there's a bag, and it says Ipsy on there with a little pull tab. And let's see here. So the first, and they don't put pricing on these. So the first item is this black gold Supreme coffee scrub. Ooh, that seems interesting. But here's a little guy with some coffee scrub. It does have a safety seal, and I have so many products open, so I don't want to open this just yet, but it literally feels like it's maybe halfway full. Like it's a lot of air in there, if you can hear that. But there's that guy. Okay, so then the next thing is H2O Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. That actually sounds interesting. I really like any like skincare that's like the water creams, that kind of thing. So I'm really excited to try this out. Water gel moisturizer. So there's that. The next thing is, ooh, we got a Tarte product, and this is Park Avenue Princess. I think this is what I chose. I believe this is what I chose. So let's get inside of here. There's that. And this is in the color, yeah, Park Avenue Princess. Duh. And this is a waterproof bronzer. So there's that little guy. It smells like coconut. So let's see. That's a very, very light color. I think that would actually look good as a bronzer for my face, because you see right here, it's a very light color. So I think that would be good for me to start trying to use, since I normally don't use it. I think that'll be a good starter outer. Okay, so then the next thing is a nude newbie pressed shadow. And I don't really do much with these little single shadows. I have so many of them that I don't grab for, because I'd rather grab a palette and just be done with one palette. So this I will probably go ahead and set aside, but let's go ahead and see. There's the actual packaging, and I'm sure it's probably gonna be like a nude color. Yes, and it even has a little mirror that is really cute, and that is the color. I'm not gonna touch it or swatch it, because this will go in a future giveaway. Speaking of, my pile is getting a little full, so I think once I get through the rest of this month, get a few more things, first of next month, I will bust all that stuff out and do a giveaway. So here's the next item, and this says that it's light and angels. Oh boy, this is gonna be a lip product, and it's going to be a burgundy color. This is, I'm not gonna touch it or swatch it. That is a very pretty burgundy color, but I'm not a huge lip person, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and set this aside, but that looks like a really pretty color. So I'm gonna set it right back in the box. I'm not gonna touch it or swatch it, because this will go to one of you guys. So that is everything that we got in this, my normal profile. These are the 5 items right here. Then going over my anything and everything bag. Same green, same exact bag. So this obviously will go for one of you guys. And, oop, I already see, no. I don't see a duplicate, it's a different color. Okay. Here's Tarte, And I was like, oh, I got another product that's the same, but this is called Shimma and Shake, not Shimmer, it's Shimma. Shimma and Shake. Shimma and Shake, and this is a blush. That's right. I think I picked these two. So I have a bronzer and a blush of Tarte. I don't really care for Tarte's eyeshadows, honestly. It's just my own opinion. It just doesn't blend well, and at the end of the day, it just looks muddy, and I don't know, it seems like it comes off. But the bronzers and the blush, those will probably be okay. It has a little road, like, how cute. So there's that. And then to swatch this color, I'll put it right next to the bronzer. Which is right there. So those are the two different Tarte products from each bag. So I'm actually excited to have both of them, a bronzer and a blush. That's cool. And you guys know, that is very rare. Are you proud that I said that I like the blush and the bronzer? Because your girl normally does not use those type of products. So I'm proud of myself for saying that. All right, so now we have is a nail product. And this is it's like a pretty bluish color. It has some glimpse of glitter up in there. And this is called Strut. You got a strut. So this will go in a future giveaway because I don't do my nails. They just chip like so quick on my nails, and then it just looks like crap, and then I end up, yeah. So. And this says Tipsy. This is a Lip Crush lip gloss. So there's that guy. Then we got this in the mystery bags, and I have 3 of those mystery bags in a giveaway. And this is a mascara. So this will go set aside again because I have so many mascaras right now. And then we have this Kenzie Free Spirit. Oh, this is a perfume. So let's see what this is all about. So then in this one, the only thing I'm keeping is the Tarte product. It smells good. It's not something that I would want to wear every single day, to be honest, but it does smell good. It smells good. Like I said, it's just not normally my go-to kind of scent, but I do like that it's a spray bottle in this size, and it's pretty packaging. Kind of matches my sweater. So I'll be keeping this and the Tarte product, and then some of these other things will just go in future giveaways. Like I said, the first of the year, I'll go ahead and get that going because it's getting kind of full with products. So there's that. This one has the perfume, the nail polish, the mascara, the lip gloss, and the Tarte blush. So which one did you like better? Did you like my main profile or did you like my side chick? My anything and everything profile? Let me know which one that you preferred. Are we bag twins with either one? Did you get similar items? Do you get Ipsy? That kind of thing. Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys don't know about Ipsy, I do have the link down below. You can follow that to check them out. They have 3 different subscriptions now. This one is now $12 a month. You get to choose one of your products. They're mainly all sample to deluxe size. Sometimes you will get a full-size product if it's like a lip gloss, a lipstick. Sometimes you'll get full-size mascaras, that kind of thing, nail polishes, that kind of thing. Sometimes they'll put in brushes. But then they have the Plus, which is $25. You get full-size products. Then they have the Ultimate, which is $50. So they and that's like a mixture of kind of like both of them together. There's some deluxe size samples and then there's some full size samples in that one. So if you want to check them out, their link will be down below. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. Now, if you do want to know what choices they had for everything for the Ipsy Glam bags this month, I will go ahead and play that now. All right, you guys, so that is all of the different options that they would have chose from based on your profile. Yes. So there you have it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Which bag did you like better? Did you like any of the items? Are you liking the Ipsy Glam bag? Let me know down below. Yes. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.